You should understand things in life. For your father is not great does not mean you will not be great.
That's true, sir.
Please understand it. On Friday, it was raining and the cloud was so dark. 15 minutes to 6, the sun shine. Do you know what God told me? God said, that is the way other people's destiny are. There are people 15 minutes to 6, their sun will shine.
Yes, sir.
While there are those, their sun will shine in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me. For you not to be great now does not mean you're not going to be great.
Yes, sir.
There is still enough hours to 6 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
In 15 minutes from now,
Yes, Papa.
your destiny will turn around. Please understand it.
I hear you, Papa.
I was the first man that started a business, Operation Cry and Pay.
Clear, Papa.
If I cry, how some people will pay me? No, it's not joke. See my mama, they go pay me. I go carry and go buy one packet of Maggi. They sell. Madam buy Maggi 6 2 kobo. Madam buy Maggi 6 2 kobo. Madam buy Maggi 6 2 kobo. Mama go beat me if you no buy. Madam buy Maggi 6 2 kobo. But yet, telling my mother, even in that buy Maggi, telling her I will build upstairs. She will tell me, hey, they want me to they talk. See her. I go say, Mama, is that to the talk? You will see.